Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about health benefits of methi and also how we can become healthy with this wonderful plant.
And if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it so that you will get more updates. First of all, I am going to tell you about its nutritional value. Folate. It contains iron, helping raising the hemoglobin of our blood. Secondly, it contains vitamin B family as it is very important for our body. Niacin, vitamin D3. High amount of niacin improves cholesterol level and lowers the cardiovascular risk. Second is pyridoxine. It also known as vitamin B6. It helps in making our nervous system, skin and RBC healthy. Third is thiamine, B1. As it helps the body to turn food into energy. It is water soluble vitamin. Now we know about the vitamin A. Good for our eyes, make our eyes healthy and stop the problem of cataract. It also improves our vision, especially in the lower light. Then vitamin C, necessary for skin, and it improves our immunity so that we are able to fight with the diseases. Second is sodium and potassium. It functions as electrolyte in our body. It works together in tissues of our body and maintain the right fluid balance. Calcium. It improves the calcium of our body and it makes our body strong and reduces the pain of arthritis. Copper and iron increases the hemoglobin level of our blood. Magnesium and manganese. As we all know, these are trace elements. So its amount in our body is very low, but it is necessary. So it improves the calcium absorption and breakdown of fat and carbohydrates. It also plays important role in making our bone healthy and energy metabolism. Phosphorus and selenium. It prevents kidney diseases, and selenium improves our thyroid gland. Zinc improves our body system, help in cell division, its growth and metabolism. It contains the vitamin B family. Now I am going to tell you health benefits of fenugreek seed. It is appetite suppressant, so it is facilitated weight loss. It reduces cholesterol, it reduces cardiovascular risk, it helps in control diabetes. It is a good relief for sore throat, it cures acid reflux or heartburn, it relieves constipation, it prevents colon cancer, it is good for kidney trouble, it is useful for skin infection, it increases milk production for pregnant women, it reduces menstrual discomfort, and it also minimizes symptoms of menopause. Now it is the time to know how to use methi. Now for hair fall, soak 2 to 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seed in half glass of water overnight. You can also soak it for 2 or 3 hours if you forget to soak them at night. If you drink the water in which fenugreek seeds are soaked every day, your hair fall will be reduced to 50% within a month. Make a paste of 1 tablespoon methi seed, half cup coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed, 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Place the paste in a glass jar and put this jar in a bigger jar filled with water. Boil, cool a bit, then massage into hair. Keep for an hour and then shampoo it. In a 1 month, your hair will become strong. For weight loss, make methi and ginger tea. Ingredient: 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons ground methi seeds, half tablespoon grated ginger. Add the water, fenugreek and ginger to a small pan on a low heat. Slowly bring the water close to the boil, simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn off the heat and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then drink it. For your taste, if you want to add lemon, add half tablespoon of lemon, but those people who have citric allergy do not add lemon. Drink this tea empty stomach in the morning and before sleep in the night. Surely you will lose 2 to 3 kg in a month. Take 100 gram of methi, 40 gram of cardamom seed or ajwain and 20 gram of kala jeera. Dry and roast it separately. Let them cool and drink the powder. At the bedtime, take 1 tablespoon daily with lukewarm water for 3 months, and really it works. You will find that you have lost 3 to 4 kg in 3 months. Fenugreek seeds help in controlling diabetes. Fenugreek contains a specialized type of soluble fiber, galactomannan, that slows the absorption of glucose in the intestine. Consuming just 5 gram or 10 gram fenugreek seed in a day in any form, whether it is dry or it is soaked, help in reducing the blood glucose level effectively. So, for healthy life, add methi or fenugreek seed or its herb in your daily life, whether by drinking its water, making it tea, consuming it dry or soaked, or making it sprouts. Make your body healthy. Thanks for watching it. Please like, subscribe and share it for more beneficial videos.